Alright guys, so this is going to be the third video today. I'm going to be saying how long it takes to take this thing apart by throwing it. Because, you know, fidget spinners, I don't really care about them now. So, they're like 50 cents at Walmart. So this is the light up one. So if you throw it, it makes a cool whistling noises. So, I want to see what happens in my cameraman left, / Hilton. And if you want to, you don't have to. No pressure, no pressure at all. You go subscribe to his channel. His channel is Outdoor Boys. It's probably hard to find because it's not very popular, but it's out there. Outdoor Boys. I'll probably see if I can put it on the suggested channels on my homepage of YouTube. So we'll see. But right now, I'm gonna drop it from right here, there, and I'm gonna spin it. Oh, all right, here we go. I took the light out, of course. I use it for something else. I'm gonna spin it higher. Alright, this thing might be a little bit hard to do. I don't know. It's like cheap plastic. Alright, I threw it really high, so, you know, compared to what I just been doing. So now I'm just gonna throw it up like this. Oh, heard the whistle? Oh. Okay, well, it just spun. So. That is about to come out, so we're gonna see. Camera probably shakes your time to do it. Oh, busted. Okay, that was what was expected. Oh, I just hit some. So this part came off. So guys, I had to go to the library, return my book. So yeah, I'm back, and now I don't know where I left off on the throne, but I'm gonna try and do this since, you know, I don't care about my fidget spinners. So, hey, so this one was pretty cheap. All mine were pretty cheap, except, well, the one I'm throwing. Now I do have like a bunch of metal ones, which I might throw later. I don't know. So here we go. I'm a chunky. Oh man, that cool whistle. Whoa. If I could somehow get that in slow motion, I probably can't get that in slow motion, but if I could, that'd be so cool. Because as soon as it landed, the caps on this busted. One shot off this way. It's like a pop gun. Sounded like a pop gun. One shot off this way, one shot off that way. So that was pretty cool. So now I'm gonna do it with just that. So that's what happens. And oh. Alright, nothing happened. Oh, put that rock back. Alright. So now I'm gonna skip it. Now I gotta go get that. Pick this up and see what happens. So I don't think anything really happened except it's kind of scuffed up. So chunk this way out there. Boing, boing, boing. Alright, that's right. Yeah, and I'm also, hold on, I'm also rocking these Crocs. So, these Crocs are like white, but like off-white now. So, I guess I'm gonna throw it down now. So, let's go GoPro here, see what happens. I'm afraid it's gonna pop back and hit me. Okay, guys, so I about hit a bunch of times. It's about to come out. All these came out. They're right there. Let's pick them up. All right, so that's about it for all that. Weird looking. Oh shoot, it's scaring me. Until next time.
Home to you.